Hello guys. So I have a question for you. Who is a warrior? My question is, who is a warrior? Guess. Okay. Let me tell a story. Before that, hello guys, this is Santosh. Today I want to talk about who is a real warrior in your life. So I want to tell a small story which you can decide who is a real warrior. In this story, there is a guy, his name is Rana, and this guy is around 22 years of age, and he got a small job around, is earning 20,000 bucks per month, and after that he's supporting his family as well. Now he started a business. He is so passionate to do something big in his life, so he started a business by some or other way, borrowing 10 lakhs, and he started doing it. So in that way, almost his earning is around 24,000 or 25,000 in next 1 year. But because of the 10 lakhs debt, he is paying around 18 to 20,000 per month as an EMI in different formats, like for banks, for credit cards, for some finance. In this way, around he is paying 20,000 in his salary itself as an EMI. Apart from that, hardly he will be having 5,000 which he has to take it, or he has to spend it for his survival in this 1 year of span of time. Because of his businesses, because of his craziness towards the business, he lost all his friends. He lost all his friends. All his friends are against him. No one is right at that moment to talk, but still he thought, okay, I will earn. He earned some money as well, but again he kept on doing some expenditure. With that, whatever he got, he thought of spending it. So he traveled a lot. He traveled around some countries or the world, and he spent around 2 to 3 lakhs which he got. He got around 4 to 5 lakhs. In that, he spent it for some for his family, some for his traveling and all this. By the end of the day, he has nothing. After 2 years of time, everything got reversed. Now he has a job, but that is also gone. Because of his focus is completely on business, he is about to be suspended from the company. He is earning around 26 to 27,000 at that moment after 2 years. Now in this situation, but still the EMIs are there. Don't forget, 20,000 EMIs you have to pay. He has to pay. He has to pay that. Now you tell me, in this situation, if you are there, what you will do? What you will do? No idea? Okay. Then we have to ask that person who has done this. So it is me. I have done this. I have lost all my friends because of my craziness towards business. I have been in debt of 10 lakhs where I have to pay my EMIs. Apart from that, whatever is there, I have to pay my room rents and all this. After that, it took me 1 year to come out of it. I had done part-time jobs. I had done different part-time sales jobs, selling products in online, different things. Some or other way, I came out of that situation. Now you tell me, who is a warrior? You can tell me that you are actually praising yourself. No, it's not like that. Not only me, everyone in this planet Earth is a warrior. Every one of you has came out of some or other situation, not similar to this, at least some or other problem. Definitely. You have came across it and you came out of it. So it's not like what you think. Like I cannot do, I want to give up my life and all. But everyone is a warrior. Everyone has a power, a will to go against all the odds and can win the game. It's about your mindset, how you are thinking it. Whether you lost it, you have to accept and you have to go forward, how you can resolve it. That is what I have learned in my journey. It's one of the beautiful journey. I got lot of pain at that moment when I was recovering. I am going ahead and working for Saturday, Sundays. Some or other way I sustained my job. I took some risk at that moment, but I sustained my job. Talking to the team over there, some or other way I have sustained the job. So right now again I started experimenting, but I have got so many lessons within that time. Lot of lessons I learned, and right now I am implementing it. So I also believe that you are also a warrior. Everyone over here is a warrior. Everyone can do anything in this planet Earth, but only one thing, you have to believe in it. So believe before you do anything. Problems will come, definitely will come. It's a human being life. We have to face these problems anyhow. So I believe some or other thing you have learned from my story. Thank you. Have a nice day.